M&A modeling is a very hands-on, practical and complex modeling session. We're going to look at a corporate acquisition from the perspective of the buyer. At the start of the session, we're going to give you two full three-statement models, one for the acquirer and one for the target. During the session, we'll learn to combine these two businesses and make a variety of adjustments. Things such as the capital structure used by the acquirer to buy the target, the synergies enjoyed by the acquirer, and other complexities including asset step-ups and write-downs. By the end of the session, you'll have a fully integrated three-statement model for this large combined business and a variety of key outputs such as EPS accretion dilution, ROIC versus WACC analysis, premium paid versus PV of synergies analysis, and a variety of other outputs. This is a hands-on, practical, Excel-heavy session for those of you who want to understand more deeply M&A modeling from the perspective of the corporate client. Thank you.